Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. So last class I told you about page number 224 activity. I hope you solved these all things in your textbook as well as in your maths fair notebook. Once again I will repeat this activity. Question number 1. The greatest 4-digit number. So 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Then second one, the smallest 5-digit number. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Once tens 100, 1000, 10,000. So this 1000 is the smallest 5-digit number. 1000 more than 7,314. So 1000 more than in the sense you should add 1000 to 7,314. So answer will become 8,314. And fourth one, the place value of 9 in 9,312. So 9,312, if we want the place value of 9, so we should identify in which place is this. So 9 is in thousands place. So 1000 into 9, answer is 9,000. The place value of 9 in 9,312 is 9,000. Next, fifth one. The even number out of 8,121, 1,843, 7,632. So, which the ones place is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that numbers are known as even numbers. So, this number is having 2 in ones place. So, this is even number. Sixth one, the odd number out of 1,234, 5,630, 8,188. Out of these three, there are two even numbers, that is 4 and 8 are there in one's place. Only one, that is 5,613. 5,613 is the odd number. Next, 7. The number just before 7,000. To identify the just before number, what you have to do is, so the given number you do minus 1. If we do 7,000 minus 1, the answer will be 699. So the number just before the 7,000 is 6,999. Next, the sum of 8th one. The sum of 380 plus 120 plus 60 is equal to, you should add all the numbers, 380 plus 120 plus 60. So 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 16. Carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. The answer is 560. Then ninth one. Ninth, the greatest number formed by the digit 1629. So 9, 6, 2, 1. So to form the greatest number by using some digits, what we should do is, we should write the given numbers in descending order. So highest to the smallest, biggest to the smallest, then it will become the greatest number of given thing. The smallest number formed by the digit 3084. If the given number is having 0, we should form the smallest number. What we have to do is, we should write the given number in ascending order. So smallest to the biggest. 0 will be the first, but we should not write 0 first. We should write after 0, which is the smallest, that one first, and then 0, then 4, 8. So this is the smallest number by using these digits. So this is all about activity. Today we will solve the next page number 225. Let us practice 2.2. Before that, there are some questions. What number do you have to add to get the successor of a given number? So we should add 1 to the given number. Is the predecessor of the number greater or smaller than the given number? The predecessor will be smaller than the given number. When you skip count by hundreds, there is a gap of how many numbers between two successive numbers? When you skip count by hundreds if you do skip count, there is a gap of how many numbers between two successive numbers? There will be the gap of hundreds between two successors, because this will be the skip count of hundreds. So once again I will explain you successor, predecessor, this number only we will take. Write the successor of this number. So what we should do is, to write the successor, we should add 1 to this. So we want next number. Success means going forward. So going forward means we should add 1 to the given number. If we add 1 to this, it will become 3049. So this is the successor of this given number. So what is predecessor? Predecessor will be the number of the given number. Predecessor will be the just before number of the given number. So you have to do -1. So if you do -1, 3447 will be the answer. Okay. So successor means the given number you add 1. That will be successor. Predecessor, to identify the predecessor for the given number, what you have to do is you should do -1. So predecessor is nothing but just before number of the given number. Successor means just after number of the given number. So I hope you are clear with this concept. And skip count also I told you how to do skip count. 2, skip count 3, skip count 4. And while solving the problems, again I will explain you. So let us go for active practice 2.2. So I will write on the board. You also write in your face. Okay. Practice 2.2. First question. Write each of the following in expanded form. So you have to write expanded form. First one you write the question. I will go for directly answer. A. 7476. We have to write expanded form of this. So see which place it is. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. So 1000 into 7, 7000 plus 4 into 100, 400 plus 7 into 10, 70 plus 6 into 1, 60. B. 7018. Write the expanded form. Again 7000 plus, no need to write in hundreds place because 100 place is 0. You can write 0 also, don't write anything. Next 10 plus 8. C. 3290. 3000 plus 200 plus 90. No need to write on ones place because ones place is 0. D. 7,002. 7,000 plus 2. This is also correct. Or you can write 7,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. This is also correct. E. 4,905. 4,000 plus 900 plus 0 plus 5. F. 8,027. 8,000 plus 0 plus 20 plus 7. G. 9,156. 9,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 6. So you have to write these. You don't have place to write in your textbook. So in your fair you have to write. First complete 2.1 in your fair and then write practice 2.2 headline and then go on writing. So if you want to pause the video, you stop the video and write these all things, complete it, and then you play, you can write next things. Next, GH 3,800. 3,000 plus 800. This much is enough. These are all expanded form of this. Write the second one. Write each of the following in short form. So we should write short form. I'll write here second one. I will not write the question. You have to write the question in the notebook, as well as you should write the answers also. Okay. See, second problem. Answers I will write. A. 6,232. 6,232. B. 8,348. C. 9,012. Because there is no anything in hundreds place, so 0 will be there in hundreds place. D. 5,003. E. 3,001. Next, F. You write the question as well as the answer. 7,777. Write the predecessor of each of the following numbers. Next, third one, predecessor. So write these all answers with questions. Write the question in front of that, put equal to sign, and then you write the answer. Next, third one. Next, third question. Write the predecessor of the following numbers. A. 700. Next, I will write predecessor. B. 567. C. 2,000. D. 2,201. E. 5,310. F. 4,080. G. 3,300. H. 9,000. I. 6,520. J. 8,610. So you should write the predecessor of these all numbers. So predecessor means what? Doing -1 to the given number, or write just before number of given. Suppose 7 they have given. What is the predecessor of 7? Just before number of 7. 7 ಕಿನ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ 6. 35 predecessor minus 1 you do. If we do minus 1 to this or the just before 35 ಕಿನ before ಯಾವುದು 34 or 35 minus 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು that is 34 is the answer. 2 tricks, so which one you feel easy you do that one. Okay, to write the predecessor just before number of the given number or else do minus 1 to the given number. Okay, let's do this. Third question, predecessor. Minus 1 if we do 700 before, what will be there 699, then 700, 567, 566, 2000 before 1999, or else you do minus 1, so 10 minus 1 9, again 10 minus 1 9, again 10 minus 1 9, 2 minus 1 1, so answer is 1999. So minus 1 to this 2200, 5310 before 10 5309, 4079 after 80, 3299, so 9000 before 8999, 6520 before 6590, so 8609. This is all about predecessor. Next, fourth question, write the successor of each of the following. So writing successor, A, fourth question, A 567, B 988, C 4369, D 2201, E 5310, F 4080, G, sorry, first one is 567, 988, 4369, 2361, 2099, then 4109, 6788, next H 8889, I 9001, J 8312. So J is not visible, I will write J here. Okay, J is 8312. So we should write the successor. So success means what you have to do? We should do addition of 1 or writing just after number. 567 after number 568, 988 989, 4369 70. So writing next number 2362, 2099 after 100, 4110, 4109 after 4110. Next 6788, 6789. Then 8889, 8890, 9002. So successor is nothing but writing just after number of the given number or addition of 1 to the given number. So next J, answer will be 8313. So practice 2.2, 1, 2, 3, 4 has completed. So in the next class, I will tell you about counting by twos, counting by tens, counting by hundreds, counting by thousands. Then I will tell you about fill in the blanks. Okay, we will continue in the next class. If you have any doubts regarding expanded form, regarding writing short form, regarding successor and predecessor, you can call me and you solve your problems. Okay, thank you.